Here at Motor Week, we live to test cars and trucks and motorcycles. So for the lowdown on the newest, here's Jennifer Kaznabis in all the latest motor news.
As pickup trucks evolve into family cars, automakers are racing to produce more user-friendly models. And the latest comes from the truck people at Dodge. It's the Dakota Quad Cab, essentially a Dodge Dakota with an industrial-style crew cab. This quad cab abandons the full-size Ram's clamshell-style entry in favor of 4 real doors. This gives all occupants equal access to the extended cab with its car-sized rear seat, all while still maintaining a useful 1,450-pound payload capacity in its 5¼ cargo box. To motivate the quad cab, Dodge offers a choice of engines. New to the list is the Jeep Grand Cherokee's 4.7-liter overhead cam V8. It delivers 235 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The 4.7 is in addition to the base 3.9-liter V6, which makes 175 horsepower. Top of the heap is the big 5.9-liter Magnum V8 with its 245 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque for those who need to tow heavy loads. Four-wheel drive models also benefit from a revised independent front suspension and new rack and pinion steering. The Dakota Quad Cab will arrive at dealers soon. Expect prices to start at around $17,500. In other news, we have new crash test results for full-size cars. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety recently crash tested 7 large family and luxury cars. The process involves 5-mile-per-hour impacts into both flat and angled barriers. Of the cars tested, the Lexus GS 400 and Cadillac Seville sustained the most damage, with both cars' repair costs topping $2,700. The best performer in all 4 tests was the Buick LeSabre, with damage totaling $2,084. It should be noted, however, that the most expensive crash was always the front into angle barrier, which is not required by law. Full results may be found at the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety's website. And that's it for this week's Motor News.